Twilight Garden Wax. It's so much cheaper than bath bombs, and I get to use it so much more. All right, let's see what we have in today's box. So we have one of those little smack balloons. My granddaughter loved it the last time. By the way, seeds, 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 as with every shipment. This is her card. And let me just say that the information on how to actually use your wax melts. Let me just say that the last restock, I wasn't able to get everything I wanted because I set my alarm. I knew exactly what I wanted. I missed out on like 4 different items. And then I took a muscle relaxer. And so when the alarm went off, I woke up, but I was groggy. So I kept messing up my order. And by the time I actually hit cart, stuff had been taken already. So you snooze, you lose. You snooze, you lose. So let's take a look at what's inside the card. So as usual, we have the invoice, which is much smaller than usual, I shall say, sadly. I'm happy that her business is growing so much, though, that she's selling out, but I get so frustrated when I miss out on restocks. It's just so sad. All right, and this is just thanking me and telling me letting me know that she had some broken Golden Celebration melts, so she gave me a few of the broken ones because I love the Golden Celebration. So I'm going to come back, and by the magic of video, I will have all of this stuff open. This is the entirety of my purchase stash. Yes, that's how much I missed out on the restock. I've never had a shipment so small. I'm so sad. However, she does have another restock coming up. And so let's see what we have here. And then she sent a lot of samples too, so she's amazing with that. All right, so here we had Rainbow Fresh Laundry, which is one that I had before, and I just used it, so I'm happy to have another one. We have Cotton Candy Clouds. Can't wait to open that one up and show it to you. Oops. We have Salty Sea Snuggles, which is sort of like a rainbow cloud. Perfect Match, Black Raspberry and Vanilla. Tropical Breeze. Super cute. Oh, I'm going to enjoy melting this one. I don't even know if I can chop it. It's so cute. All right. And then the last one that I had from the actual purchase was Celebration Clothesline. Another one that, no, that's a lie. I didn't buy this one before, but she sent me a sample and I loved it. So, of course, I got one. Then she sent Candied Orange Blossom sample, which she knows I love. She sent me Starlight. Oh, I forgot to show you guys this one. Shooting Stars, which is the brittle. So cute. All right. So Starlight, a little cherry cola. How cute are these samples? Sea Salt Orchid comes with 2 flowers and a mermaid's tail. And then Purry Fresh. And then the broken celebrations that she sent me. She knows that I love the scent of this. So I'm glad. Thank you so much for sending me your broken pieces. Trust me, I'm about to pop one in right now because this is my fave scent of the moment. All right, so I'm going to open these up so you can take a closer look. The one that she sent me for free because they were broken. And this is a duplicate of Lush's The Golden Wonder Bath Bomb. And it's my current favorite scent of hers. I love that bath bomb. It is one of my favorite bath bombs from Lush, if not my favorite. All right, so here are the items that I purchased. We already took a look at this beauty. That is Tropical Breeze, scented in pineapple, pear, grapefruit, banana, water lilies, jasmine, citrus, coconut milk, agave, and musk. Then we have this beautiful brittle here. And it has a bunch of different shapes in it. It's called Shooting Stars, Blackberries, Morning Glories, Honeysuckle, Geranium, Woods, Eucalyptus, Orange, and Patchouli. I just love the shimmer on this. Then we had Salty Sea Snuggles. Beautiful cloud, rainbow cloud. I almost called it a bath bomb. And it is a fresh blend of salty sea air, snuggle type laundry notes. We had this beautiful item right here. So shimmery, and I actually broke the container, so I can't even open it. Let me see, did I order this one? Yes, it's called Perfect Match Black Raspberry Vanilla. I was looking at the wrong thing. Black Raspberry Vanilla Perfect Match. Gorgeous. Then we had a Celebration Clothesline, another beautiful, beautiful hunk of wax. And it's a fresh blend of orange blossoms, freshly cleansed laundry. Freshly cleaned laundry, drying in not just any sun, but the Florida sun. Next we have Cotton Candy Clouds. Super cute. And it is cotton candy. I'm smelling it as I'm reading this. Cotton candy, laundry notes of peach, watermelon, neroli, jasmine, aquatic notes, and musk. Then the ever so lovely, another one of my new favorites, Rainbow Fresh Laundry. It's a pear, green grapes, kiwi, raspberry, peach, jasmine, lily, fernwoods, musk, and amber, all blended into a most heavenly scent. I will say it is amazing. Then we had the samples. We have Purry Fresh. Look how cute it is. We have the Sea Salt Orchid, and I thought these were two flowers, but it's super cute. It's a flower, a shell, and a mermaid tail. Little cherries for the cherry cola. And then Starlight Brittle sample. And finally, the candied orange blossoms. I think I have one of these left, and I had a bunch, so I just needed another one. So I'm happy to see that because I love this scent. And this scent, like my tops favorite ones from Twilight Garden. Okay, so did I miss any? Let's see. We got that one, we got that one, we got that one. We got them all. So that's it for Twilight Garden wax and my ridiculously small delivery because I was freaking jacked up on muscle relaxers and I didn't know what the heck I was doing, and so I didn't place my order quick enough and I lost out on a lot of items. But because I did, she was kind enough to send me her Golden Wonder crumbles because they're broken. But really, this is really not broken. Really, it's a whole big gift. Thank you so much. You're so generous. All right, guys, that's it for Twilight Garden Wax, and I will talk to you guys on the next one.